Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking care of a little bit of maintenance on the JS20 lawnmower. So I got the home maintenance kit straight from John Deere. Air filter, free cleaner, spark plug, and oil. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Probably start with the spark plug and air cleaner and then do the oil last. Alright, so let's start with the spark plug first. And grab the wrong size socket. That's not surprising. Oh, yeah, she's not. And she don't want to focus. Still doesn't want to focus. It's not terribly bad. It's definitely dirty, in need of a change. So the one that was in it originally, RJ19LM, and the new one is same thing. I got to check the gap actually. Does it? Okay, I've got to check the gap and make sure this is gapped. All right, so spark plug gap is supposed to be 0.03, which it is, so we're good there. Get this bad boy tightened up. All right, and we'll move on to the air cleaner. It's gonna be right over there. I know for a fact that this air cleaner is pretty bad, so let's get that bad boy off. Find the right screwdriver. Like I said, I know this is pretty bad. I had this off the other day, and that's hence why I'm doing maintenance on it. And it doesn't even have, oh no, it does, but so you can still see a light in there, but that thing is dirty. And then you look at the pre-clean cleaner, and I mean, it's seen better days. Even the box has seen better days too. Now we'll kind of get this cleaned up a bit. Spray with some cleaner really quickly. Give it a little bit of a wipe down. And then get the arrows should point up when assembled with engine. So place foam side against paper element. So that's as easy as that. Filter goes right on. And let's get her back installed. I mean, I bet you just after those two things, this thing's gonna run a lot better too. But I know the oil needs to be changed also. Okay. Yep, that's all clipped on there. But I mean, holy cow. That has seen way better days. So let's drain this oil now. The only way I've ever known to do a push mower is this way. something to get that propped up just a little bit better. She's coming out though. Alright, I'll catch back up with you when it's empty. Oh. Supplied oil, 10W30. Right down the hole. Alright, so we got her filled up, so let's check the level. Tad. It's not going to want to focus. Well, it was at the full mark, but at the angle that I was looking at. Yep, we're good. We are at the full mark. Alright, that's everything now, so let's fire her up and see what she does. Sounds excellent. So thanks guys for watching, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.